Hello everyone, I'm Insu Khan. For this semester, I'm going to teach you about English education in ICT. ICT is Information and Communication Technology. Uh, this is the first page of the lecture material. Of course, this was made by my friend, best friend ChatGPT. Right, let's see the learning plan and the course book. Uh, I just selected a course book just quite recently through the web searching, and fortunately, I found out the PDF file for this book. So I uploaded a file on the LMS, so you can download a file and use for whole the semester. This is the first week, September 2nd, and today is about orientation. From next week, we're going to learn about just teaching speaking, listening, reading, writing, vocabulary, and grammar, and some classroom interaction and tasks, and the principles of assessment and testing. And lastly, we're going to review about the digital technology and online teaching rules and principles. I selected different kinds of materials. The ICT materials to be included over the courses here. So the topic can be extracted from our course book. So you can read these chapters if you have enough time before coming to our lecture room. And of course, you don't need to review or preview these kind of tools because I will introduce step by step how to deal with and how to use these tools for making learning materials. And then after that, of course, for your adjustment, you need to practice these tools by yourself for sufficient time, I think. So I can deal with, we're going to deal with about the metaverse. There are many kinds of metaverse. We will address JAB this time. And we're going to also learn about how to use TTS and how to make podcasts using some apps and how to use a video generation, how to make a video by CapCut. And also going to introduce Get Yarn, which is very useful uh, resource to get out list material. And then we're going to learn about how to deal with the ChatGPT to generate a reading text and also introduce some applications, software, word search puzzle, and jigsaw puzzle. Then we will gonna deal with the Google Documents and the Google Classroom and a Suno application to make music. So in this app, the students can write down their own lyrics and make their own song. And we're also going to deal with some look at and quiz and class cards for teaching vocabulary. And these are very, very useful AIs to make platforms to teach grammar or vocabulary. I already made some using these AIs for teaching English to students in other universities and some students in Pugyong National University as well. So I will introduce mine and also introduce some interesting program for animated drawings and for video editing, Brew and UCount also will be dealt in this course. And Canva is very useful and widely used program in Korea. So using Canva, you can edit the video and make a poster and a presentation material. So if you are accustomed to using this tool, you also can have your students learn about how to use this, and they also can present their learning outcomes through these kinds of procedures. And Padlet and Padlet TA may mean teaching assistants going to be introduced, and lastly we're going to review all the programs. The this yellow line means the Chuseok, the holiday break. So we're gonna have a break here, and ninth week, it's gonna be about midterm exams. So don't worry about any burden for the midterm exam because you can just submit by online, and also it's open book. The final exam is the same way, so no worries. If you have any questions, you can ask me about anything relevant to your examination. And for your mid break here, I made a time for your assignment submission by online. So by applying and exercising what you have learned through the courses, you can make a simple lesson plan of 2 pages and send me to by online. I'm considering how to help you specify this assignment. So I'm going to more specify this one and let you know about how to make it. Okay, this is my contact. So my contact email address and my phone number. If I have any urgent question or if you have anything, what did I have to know about you? You can just send a text message. Yeah. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you guys will be okay and happy and enjoy this week. All right, see you next week in the lecture room. Bye bye.